I'm extremely excited and quite intrigued about how this performance is going to go, because this is a project, Caravanserai, which has been organized by Arts Midwest, and it is a very prestigious project that aims to introduce American audiences into the cultures of the Muslim world. Last year it was very successful. They brought groups from Pakistan and Turkey, including, I think, dervish dancers and Qawwali groups. And what is very interesting is that it's not the predictable places that you would go and perform, New York and Chicago and places like that, but you are introduced, the tour involves traveling to places in which audiences would not be very familiar with Muslim cultures from around the world. Saya sangat terasa agak excited kerana kita ni pergi ke tempat-tempat yang agak aneh, iaitu ke Texas, ya, ke Houston, Texas, dan juga satu kota kecil yang dipanggil Crockett, Texas, di sempadan di antara Texas dan Mexico, kalau tak silap saya. Kemudian ke Houston, di mana kita akan buat persembahan di Asia Society, suatu organisasi yang agak terkenal di dunia. Kemudian ke Atlanta, Georgia, untuk membuat persembahan di State University of Georgia, dan kemudian ke Gainesville, Florida, di mana kita akan buat persembahan di salah satu sekolah performing arts yang agak terkenal di dunia. Representatives from Arts Midwest came to Malaysia, and they were looking for examples of Malaysian culture, in particular traditional culture. So when you're looking for traditional culture, you either go to the Ministry of Culture, or you look for us, in all modesty. And so they were directed to us really quite by chance. And once they came to Malaysia, they went up to Kelantan, they saw a performance, and they were literally spellbound. I think the Wayang Kulit troupe was the one thing they decided to have just about as soon as they saw it. Right? The Wayang Kulit was the first one they decided that this definitely is very representative of everything, not just Malaysia, but Southeast Asia stands for. It is also a very unique and distinctive Wayang style and tradition, very different from the Javanese and the Indonesian. So immediately we were approached and asked to sign up basically for this tour. I must say that I am very impressed that working relationships with bodies like Arts Midwest are an absolute delight, because it's so incredibly well organized. It's also very generous in its support, everything financial support to the support in America itself. We're given a tour bus like rock musicians when we're traveling from one place to another, and very accommodative of any kind of requests, and very respectful of cultural particularities, everything from food to requirements of religious obligations and all that. Very, very sensitive to these kinds of things. So it really is a great delight to work with organizations of this kind. The other thing that really excites me about this project, of course, is that we are bringing with us one of the most established and acknowledged Wayang Kulit troupes in the country, the Kumpulan Wayang Kulit Seri Warisan Pusaka. I have worked with this troupe for 23 years. Pusaka, since its founding, have of course selected this group, and we've worked with them over the past close to 2 decades. We have trained young people, and we have trained them in the traditional way of Wayang tradition. That is, you train your own family basically. So ikut keturunan, it is passed down through generations, and every one of the members of this troupe is somehow related. Ini bukanlah kali pertama kumpulan Wayang Kulit kita telah ke peringkat antarabangsa. Pada tahun 2007, kumpulan Wayang Kulit ini telah membuat pementasan utama, that means headline show, at one of the leading festivals of traditional music in the world, di Paris, pada tahun 2007, and they received a great acclaim in Paris. at the Festival Imaginaire, produced by the the organization Maison Culture du Monde, the House of Cultures. So ini adalah kali kedua, and there are many other plans to take them as ambassadors sebagai duta budaya Malaysia ke negara-negara yang lain, termasuk negara-negara ASEAN, ke Singapura, ke Indonesia, ke Thailand, ke India. They're all plans afoot to bring them on these tours, because kami memang percaya bahawa budaya Malaysia ni agak aneh, ya, lain daripada yang lain. Malaysian culture is extremely distinctive. Kadang-kadang orang Malaysia sendiri yang tak tahu menonjolkan keanehan atau keunggulan budaya. We are ourselves to blame for not being able to basically extol or bring out the uniqueness and distinctiveness of our culture. And it's left then to troops like this and organizations like ours to emphasize, because what essentially we are able to prove is that Malaysian culture is extremely diverse, it is extremely old, it's extremely unggul ni is dignified and ini sangat bermaruah, and it's a good lesson for the world to understand cosmopolitan cultures and so on.